Going on, y'all? Sean, the Math Swap Tutoring here with another math challenge that reads as follows: 5/6 times 6/7 times 7/8 times so on and so forth, all the way to x over y is equal to 1 over 10. What is y minus x? Now, the main thing to be aware of is to not lose sight of what we're trying to find: y minus x. Okay. So as we look at this, one thing that we notice is that when you multiply each fraction, the the uh, the denominator of the former is going to cancel out with the numerator of the next every time. So what happens is by the time we get to x over y, x is going to cancel out with the denominator before it. So what we're going to have is, and the only numerator that's going to remain is that 5. So what you have is 5 over y equals 1 over 10. Okay, so if we cross multiply, we get y equals 50. Okay, now if y is equal to 50, then that means that if you look at it, the numerator of each fraction is always going to be one less than the denominator. So that means x is equal to 49. Therefore, y minus x is 50 minus 49, which equals 1. Now, if you looked at this, you would also realize you didn't necessarily have to go through and solve it this way. You could have just looked at it and realized every single fraction has the case that the denominator is one more than the numerator. So you could have even just looked at that and been able to tell that whatever what x and y ended up being, y minus x is always, denominator minus numerator is always going to be 1. Let me know which way you actually determine the answer to this one, okay? Let me know. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and have a good one. Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you need math tutoring or you need SAT math help, look in the description to find out how you can sign up today. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you stay in touch with Math Swap Tutoring on YouTube. Have a good one.